simply by viewing videos, which is one of the simplest ways to earn money online. What should you do? We'll find out soon enough. This is how you can make money viewing videos online. Furthermore, just a small percentage of those who see my videos subscribe. So, if you find this video useful, consider subscribing to receive notifications. It's free, and you can always change your mind afterwards. And that way, if I come up with a new and innovative technique to generate money online, you'll be the first to know about it. As a result, make the maximum money. Playing the video is the first step. The second stage is to give it at least 60 seconds of your attention. The third step is to cash out your profits. That's all there is to it. Today, I'll show you the most effective website for making money online simply by viewing movies. This website is free to use and can be accessed from anywhere in the world. Also, don't forget that I'll be providing special bonus advice that will help you to earn twice as much as other individuals. So make sure you stick around and watch to the very end. Let's return to the video now. First and foremost, I would like you to visit the ZoomBucks website. This website is entirely free, safe, and legal. As you can see, answering surveys, viewing movies and TV episodes, and participating in offers are all ways to get money. However, for the purposes of this video, we'll focus on viewing videos because it's something you already do on a daily basis and earns the most money for the least amount of effort. So go ahead and select the option to watch television. Allow me to now explain how this website operates. Step 1. Create an account on the website for free. Step 2. Choose a station that appeals to you. Start watching TV programs and videos after that. Points will be credited to your account when you watch those videos. You can also look for additional earnings by switching between other channels and then exchanging your points for cash or gift cards. It's really that simple. So make sure you watch the entire video to fully comprehend how this website operates. The first step, as previously said, is to create a free account on this website. Go to the home page, input your email address, make a password, and then click Sign Up Now. You can also sign up with your Facebook or Google account for a more convenient experience. You may now check how much money you can generate on this website by logging into your Zoom Dollars account. People have made anywhere from $200 and $500, and you may be the next. These people make money on ZoomBucks by viewing videos, taking surveys, and completing offers. The best aspect is that there are a vast number of videos available here, and they all reset every day, which means you can earn money here indefinitely by simply watching videos. To begin, select Watch from the left-hand menu. Following that, you'll notice boxes with the words, Hideout Out, written on them. And if you move your cursor over them, you'll notice that they're given more information. After that, pick appropriately by pressing the Start button. After that, you'll be led to this screen, where you can choose a video category. You can choose from the following categories: culinary, DIY, and odd videos. You can see how many points you can gain in each category on the right-hand side. If I choose food, for example, I will be directed to this page. To continue, you'll need to create a free account, which you can do right here. To do so, simply enter your email address, establish a password, and click the Sign Up button. You'll be taken to this website after creating a suitable account, where you can watch all of the videos in the food category. You can view as many videos as you like on this website. If I click this one, for example, I'll be brought to another page where I must watch the video for at least 60 seconds in order to earn money. You can view as many movies as you want on various tabs at the same time, which is a great trick for increasing your earnings. You may view a lot of videos while doing other things this way. As a result, you'll be able to earn the greatest money in the least amount of time and effort possible. More videos are available by selecting all of the videos on the right-hand side. Another additional tip I have is to reduce the video quality to save data by clicking the video options. Please set the video quality to the lowest feasible. As a result, you'll be able to view as many 60-second videos as you want while also making a lot of money. These additional techniques are really successful, and you can start using them right away to double, treble, or even quadruple your earnings on this website in a single day. Now, before we go any further, if you guys are enjoying this video, which I've put a lot of time and effort into, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button and make sure you're subscribed with notifications turned on, because if we reach 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your own home. Let's return to the video now. Now that you've learned how to make money on Zoombucks by simply watching videos, I'd like to show you another way to profit from this website. And you can do that by doing surveys. On the left side of your Zoombucks dashboard, you should notice questionnaires that you can cheval. You will be given with a list of companies who offer you short surveys to complete as a result of doing so. As seen here, each survey will pay you 85 cents, 60 cents, $10, $3, and $5. After that, simply select on the firm that offers you the most money. Continue in the same manner as before. Simply sign up for a free account with the firm of your choice and start taking as many surveys as you like. Make sure to like and subscribe